Back in the summer of 2012, my son, who's 19 years old, died from a fatal reaction to synthetic drugs. He was a great kid. He was in college for criminal justice. He wouldn't have done anything illegal. He didn't do anything illegal at the time. He walked into a store and bought synthetic drugs off the shelf of the store and smoked them, and they affected his nervous system and all his organs failed. And ever since then, I've learned a lot about synthetic drugs and a lot of other drugs in general. I started a foundation, a non-profit organization in my son's honor, and his initials were VOW, which is why I named it that. It's Victor Orlando Wilson Foundation. In order to spread awareness and education about synthetic drugs, because when he died in the summer of 2012, it was just very devastating. It's like a mother's worst nightmare to have their child die. And to wrap myself around that, it was very difficult. And I was able to take the knowledge that I had in general and start a nonprofit and help others so that they're not as devastated as our family was. Personal experiences and talking to a lot of different people. What kids are usually trying to fill a void, fill a need in their life with drugs. So they go to something to experiment, or maybe they're lonely, or they just want something different to do, or they want to follow the crowd. You will notice some things like detachment. They will start to become detached from normal everyday things. If they, are normally going to sit down and watch a show with you, a TV show or something, and you notice they're stopping some of the normal things, that's a reason to look in to see what they're doing.
Accessible educational programs and prevention programs. Going where people are and having the problems is a great start. If you go to the people, then that is removing their barrier of them coming to you.
You can't go buy a new lung after you wear it out from smoking or vaping. You are only born with one liver. Don't wear it out at a young age from alcohol or drug use. To those who feel the need to experiment or feel the need for danger, explore taking up an extreme sport. Join drama or acting club. Challenge yourself to try something new. Health and safely, of course.
Be active and involved with your kids. Open, honest, non-judgmental communication is important. Be active with your kids as well. Go to games, join boards for activities they're involved in, talk with their teachers, and advocate for your kids, and teach them how to self-advocate.
Currently, there are 4 school-based substance abuse counselors in the 9 area districts who provide various age-appropriate programs. Alcohol Literacy Challenge, Teen Intervene, All-Stars, Strengthening Families, and etc. Strengthening Families is a DVD 10-week series where a meal is provided. Then afterwards, the parent and child go through a learning session. Some weeks they may have homework to practice the new skills. The family is provided with the DVD to keep. Significant changes in grades or sleep patterns, change of friends, missing money, items, or medications. Go through your medicine cabinet and get rid of unused medications, especially painkillers. Bring them to the medication drop box, which is accessible 24/7 at the Oswego City Police Department.
on a picture of my son. And I want you to remember that one time trying some of these drugs could kill you.